What's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, it is day one of this small account flip. Took a $100 account and made over 300% in one day off two trades. Now it's very simple. $100. If I'm able to do this with $100, you're able to do this with $100. Okay, so today total profit was $415. Now I'm not going to make a video every single day, right? I'm not going to make a video every single day talking about my trades, talking about my profits. But the days I do launch the videos, you want to make sure you get notified right away, because these videos, I'm not going to leave them up on YouTube forever. So you want to make sure you get notified right away so you can watch these videos, so you can learn from them, because I'm going to basically be dropping solid hidden Easter eggs, golden Easter eggs in these videos for you guys to really learn from. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, comment below. $415 in profit today on NAS 100 as well as XEU USD. Now, go watch my previous video on YouTube. Again, these videos are not going to stay up forever, so make sure you watch them, learn from them. I'm showing you guys exactly how to do this with your own trading account, okay? So, $415 today in profit. Talked about everything in the Discord community, right, which is 100% free. So if you guys are interested in joining the free Discord, the link to that Discord group is going to be below this YouTube video. Let's talk about the trades. Let's break everything down here for you guys right now. $415. Now, very first trade I took with this account, very first trade was last night. We took gold, XEU, US dollar. We were talking about this one. We were talking about gold in the Discord chat room, again, which is 100% free, right? We talked about a lot of selling pressure. One of our moderators was mentioning that, hey, it's really selling off here. It's bleeding out. So I took the sell, 0.07 lots, made $262 in profit. That gave me that buffer. That gave me that buffer that I needed to basically trade NAS 100. Because with NAS 100, you need to have at least $300 in your account to trade NAS 100. Again, at least $300 in your account to trade NAS 100. So this morning, I was able to come to the market and take 0.03 lots on NAS 100 for the buy, for the push to the upside to make $152 in profit. This is a total lot size amount of 0.10 lots, right? 0.03 lots and 0.07 and 0.03 gives you 0.10 lots. Fee 0.70 cents, $415.03. $100 is what was deposited in the account. $100 next day, $415 in profit. That is really good. Now, I do not know what I'm growing this account to. I might just stop at $100,000, might stop at $50,000. Who knows? What I do know is that I am dropping solid gems in education 100% free on the YouTube channel, these videos, as well as the Discord community. So make sure you guys join that. Let's do a trade recap. Now, this is very important. I want to show you guys something here. People ask all the time, well, how do we follow? How do we learn? I'm telling you how to follow. I'm telling you how to follow. I'm telling you how to learn. That just goes right over people's head. NAS 100, I did send the signal out here. If you pay attention, I bought NAS 100 at 20587.46. I sent a signal right here, buying NAS 100, 20583.95. I actually got a shittier entry and fill with this one. So I'm going to use the word guaranteed. You ready for the word guaranteed? This is a very strong, powerful word. Guaranteed, 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 guaranteed. You personally guaranteed 110% would have made at least $152 with your trading account. So you would have guaranteed 100% if you had $300 to your name, to your in your broker account, in your trading account, you would have guaranteed made $152 on one trade, one signal, one alert, right from the community, right? So tap in, click the link below this YouTube video, join the Discord community, 100% free. Let's talk about the signal where I was looking with this one. So obviously yesterday was election. We know who's the new president of the country. So NAS 100 and US 30 has been running hardcore. With NAS 100, we're basically testing this resistance area right here at 2634. We were holding this support zone here. I was looking for this one to basically hold and then squeeze, push up, hit our entry, take profit 1, take profit 2, take profit 3. I actually left a lot of money on the table with this one. I could have made a lot more money, right? I could have made a lot more money. I basically bought it, right? I basically bought it here pending. Let's do a pending take profit, and then I basically closed out of this trade with like 100, like 152 dollars. But if I held a little bit longer with this one, this is actually a sell. But if I could have made 350 bucks. I could have made 350 bucks in this one. So again, can you start? Whole point of this video, can you start off trading with $100? Absolutely. Can you grow it to 1,000, 100,000, $1 million? Absolutely, right? You've got to just learn from the right person, the right mentor, the right person that's been doing this shit for a long time. So that was NAS 100. But let's recap to yesterday's. I want to talk about yesterday's gold, right? Yesterday's gold. Now, my default set to 4 lots, by the way, if that's what you're wondering. So with gold, right, this one was selling off hard yesterday. So last night, this one was basically started selling off here to 738. That's when we basically jumped in at 27. We basically jumped in at 27.41. So we saw this one basically pushed up, came down, pushed back up again. And this one was basically just looking really, really weak right here, which is why we took the sell position. I was like, all right, we're basically having lower highs. Okay, so I think this one's gonna start dropping here. So this is why we took the sell position with gold, XEU, US dollar. The count, again, it's a great start. Day one, 300%. So make no mistake, this one's gonna keep going and going and going. I think, like I said, the goal in the game plan with this is to at least make it up. I'm calling this the small account car challenge, right? Which means that the profit I make from this account challenge, I'm putting that towards a sports car, whether it's a new Corvette, a GTR. You guys comment below on what kind of sports car. I'm just going to take when this account, I'm just going to grow it to that amount probably, and then just go to the dealership and just drop the cash right on the car. You guys let me know what you think in the comment below, what kind of sports car we should buy. That's it. Subscribe to the channel, give this video a thumbs up, and remember guys, nobody goes broke taking profit. Cheers.